In the heart of the Enchanted Forest, where magic blooms and friendships grow, lived Princess Poppy and her messy, lovable friend, Dusty the Dragon. Princess Poppy was picking flowers, gently singing to herself, "When we care for where we stay, happiness grows every day." Just then, Dusty the Dragon flew in with a sneeze that sent sparkly dust everywhere. "Achoo! Poppy! I was looking for my socks, but I might have dropped a few things. Or, a lot of things." She giggled at the sight of the path now covered in toys, books, cookie crumbs, and glitter. "Oh, Dusty! That's not a sock trail, it's a mess express." Dusty looked a bit ashamed. "I didn't mean to. I just get so excited." "I'll clean it later." Princess Poppy smiled kindly. Kindness means caring for others, and our home too. "What if we clean up together? That way, we make magic and memories." And so began the musical number, with Poppy and Dusty singing in an upbeat, catchy tune. "When we pick it up and put it back, we're showing love, that's a fact. Kindness grows when we all do our part, with a tidy space and a giving heart." They danced while cleaning up, Dusty using his tail like a broom, and Poppy twirling with a basket. Dusty looked around, full of joy and pride. "Wow! It's beautiful. And it feels good inside too. Like a warm cookie hug." Princess Poppy told him, "That's the magic of kindness, Dusty. It shines from the inside out." The narrator chimed in to say that from that day on, Dusty became the clean-up king of the Enchanted Forest, spreading kindness with every sweep and smile. Remember, little heroes, kindness is magical, and cleaning up is a way to show you care. Be kind. Clean up. Create magic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.